Burundi, the heart of Africa's hidden treasures. Welcome to Burundi, a land of breathtaking natural beauty, warm hospitality, and untapped opportunities. From the peaceful shores of Lake Tanganyika to the lush green hills and majestic waterfalls, Burundi is a destination that captivates the soul. Here, tradition meets innovation. Our people are resilient, creative, and welcoming, ready to build a better future with the world. With a growing sense of peace, stability, and economic ambition, Burundi is open for tourism and investment. Explore our national parks, discover ancient drum culture, enjoy rich coffee and tea plantations, and connect with a country ready to shine. Visit Burundi. Invest in Burundi, grow with Burundi. My name is Homme de Changement from Agasiro Media. Burundi, the untouched jewel of Africa. Nestled in the heart of the Great Lakes region, Burundi is one of Africa's best-kept secrets, a country rich in natural beauty, cultural heritage, and human potential. Though small in size, its treasures are vast and deeply rooted. From the tranquil shores of Lake Tanganyika, one of the world's deepest and most pristine lakes, to the lush green highlands, national parks, and tea and coffee plantations that stretch across the hills, Burundi offers landscapes that inspire awe and adventure. A land of peaceful people and warm hospitality. Burundians are known for their kindness, humility, and resilience. The traditional Burundi drummers, Abatimbo, recognized by UNESCO, echo the rhythm of a proud nation with a strong cultural identity. Visitors are welcome not as tourists, but as friends and family. Emerging opportunities in a changing nation. Today, Burundi is writing a new chapter with improved stability, government commitment to economic reform, and a youthful, vibrant population. The country is open for business. Strategic sectors like agriculture, tourism, renewable energy, infrastructure, and digital innovation offer great potential for foreign and local investment tax incentives. Special economic zones and bilateral partnerships are being developed to attract and protect investors. Land is fertile, labor is available, and the market is growing, not just locally, but regionally through the East African community. Untapped tourism, paradise nature lovers will discover Ruihinda Lake Reserve, Ruvubu, and Kibera National Parks, home to rare bird species and wildlife. Hikers will be drawn to Mount Heha, Burundi's highest peak, and those seeking relaxation will fall in love with the hot springs of Muhweza or the breathtaking Carrera Falls. Why choose Burundi? Centrally located in Africa, unspoiled nature and ecotourism